Hello, I am Muhammad Adel and this is Sweet Half 2020 channel. We will explain today one of the most important formulas in Excel. It's called VLOOKUP. Why VLOOKUP is very important? Because we can search about it. Follow me to know how to use it. First, we want to, when we write one here, name appears here. When we write one, Ahmed appear. When we write two, Hamza appear. When we write three, Isam appear here. It is so easy. We can use VLOOKUP formulas. We must write here equal and then we choose VLOOKUP. Okay, then he needs the lookup value. Lookup value mean the number or the name I want to search it in one. I press 1 or cell the A30, then I press semicolon from my keyboard, so I must enter my table array. So I will enter my table array here and press F4 from my keyboard and press semicolon again. He wants cool index number. Cool index number means column index number. This is column number 1, 3, 2, 4. I want name in column number 2, so I will write 2 and write semicolon from my keyboard. I have two choices now, true or false. True, approximate match. False, exact match. I want exact name, exact match, so I will write false or write 0 from my keyboard. So now I finish my formal, then I will make enter. Okay, see 1 Ahmed. Okay, let's try it again for number 2. So equal VLOOKUP lookup value number 2 or cells A40, then I will semicolon table array, then I will enter semicolon cool index number 2, then I will enter semicolon and then enter 0, then okay. Wow, Hamza right. 3 I will enter my VLOOKUP. Okay, VLOOKUP lookup value semicolon table array, then semicolon cool index number 2, then false or 0, then I this was VLOOKUP. Thank you for watching and see you later in Excel's formulas. Please subscribe here and like our video. Thank you for watching.